In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use Walmart Plus gas discount. Launch the Walmart application on your device, and within the app, locate the Services section. Look for the option related to gas discounts offered through Walmart Plus. If you haven't already subscribed to Walmart Plus, you will need to do so to access the gas discount feature. Once subscribed, explore the list of gas stations where the discount is applicable. These are typically listed within the app. So when you're ready to fill up, drive to one of the accepted gas stations. At the pump, select the payment option that allows you to scan the QR code. Open the Walmart app and navigate to the payment section and use Walmart Pay to scan the QR code displayed at the pump. Once the QR code is scanned and payment is processed through the Walmart Pay, proceed to fuel your vehicle as usual. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.